okay if it just falls?
Well, no.
Well,
He's scared it's going to just fall out.
Just hold your hand underneath it.
and done. It just stayed up there.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Well, pull it.
That was my last point.
There it is.
Take the pin out.
What I tell you about wires just twisted in the back of it? Look. So they just twisted.
Oh!
What is that?
What the heck?
This is some ranky stuff.
But how do you get it out?
Well, this is. You gotta be careful what we say because your mom's videoing it.
Yeah, I know.
You gotta be careful.
Are these bumper speakers? No way!
Well, that's how they make the sound, ding dong. Boom, boom. That's where the sound comes from when they move. You know, like when you hear the bass,
Sir?
when you hear the bass, that's why they move.
Boom. They come
Let's put these speakers on your list side by side.
Oh yeah, that actually would be good. My little side by side doesn't even start.
Well, we're working on that, okay? We can only solve so many problems a day.
Are we taking the window ring out?
Yes, but that's the last thing. Before you gotta take all this other crud out first.
Okay.
Right there, that side.
Now,
Where your mom's at, over
then
that side.
after, I'm gonna have to have her stand out there so I can get this switch up. Please don't hit me. Please. I'm asking nicely. Why is there only 2 screws in them?
Because it was put up.
There's a spot for screws. See? You see
Yeah.
all those? There's one back here behind here. There should have been one right there.
Did you skip my song? Why did you?
Would you turn around and work?
Hold on, Mom. Someone just skipped my song and put it on a different channel. I put my phone there so you can't reach it.
Good. Good.
I'm watching
Do you
you.
smell this old? You smell it? You see how you smell how old it smells? That's because of the stupid board.
Mom, will you put your hand under here, please? In case it falls.
Sometimes that brings back old memories of getting in a tractor.
Does it?
Done.
Are they twisted on there too? The wires?
I don't know. Yep.
They're twisted on there too?
Now, how do you get this thing
You
out?
gotta untwist it, pull it out.
You look. Hey.
I don't know how to untwist it.
Okay. Well, you gotta look at the wire.
Okay.
Oh, that, okay.
No, they're not.
Let's pull that one off. Okay, that's
They don't look as old as that one over there.
That one should just pull out. There it is.
Now, what do you want me to put there?
Right here with this other. Let's don't damage these antiques.
Now, are we gonna work on taking right there?
Well, first off, you gotta get that piece off on the side.
This?
Uh-huh. You see
Now,
those
I
buttons?
need a mini screwdriver.
A mini one?
How do you?
That's not what you use on those. You need to ask Todd what you
what do you
use.
use on them?
Okay, well, let me go get it for you. Well, let me see your pit, because that should work. We need a number 2 for that. That's a number 3. That won't work?
This one works.
It should
Oh.
work. Put it in there. You gotta put it on the drill there. Cat nuts.
It doesn't. Oh, yeah, it does.
Okay.
The end works.
But you gotta, hey, listen, in order for those to work, you gotta hold it on tight and slow. Okay? See?
Comes out perfect. And then we'll start on those front ones.
Those first. We gotta take all this goobly goo off to get to that.
Yeah. And then I'll start on that maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I'll probably start on it today.
You spending the night up here tonight or something?
No, you can stay up here late.
I'm fixing to go.
Or you can stay home with me. Or you can take me home.
Okay. Yeah, I'll just come back and pick you up later.
No.
Get it?
This is not the same kind. You got it?
If Dad stays up here, I'll just go home with him.
He came out.
That one was easy, very easy.
I see one over there. It's two different colors anyway. Look like it's gray. Is
I
it
can't
blue?
get to this one because that seat.
Can't, never could.
Todd.
I honestly think we're going to have to pull all that stuff out anyway. I think you put the cart before the horse. We're trying to make this, listen, here's the object. Try to work on this truck without making it dead in the water, okay? Because we can still move it. But like, see, this is coming out. He wants to replace this one there, right?
This can't come out because
it's too
look,
close.
the seat.
Yeah, it's too close. Mm-hmm.
Then how will we get this
Sir?
out today?
Yeah. Like I said, he was putting the cart before the horse. What was you thinking? What if I forgot what this is, Captain?
Speaker, Todd.
That's
It's a speaker.
This is not a speaker. What is that?
That's the home rig.
What do you mean? Draw something.
She's videoing me.
Oh, you know what this is?
'Cause I said
This
she
is
could.
This is where you add speakers to.
Oh, she has your permission?
Ma'am?
Okay.
It's like,
Slow. Are you a stripper?
Nope, not enough.
it's not coming out.
You do it a little bit
Maybe
more?
more.
Is Brad in the booth?
No, he's
He
gone.
left.
To go change so he can paint.
So we can what?
Paint.
Oh, well, I'm calling it a day. That was Old Dominion. Road, so
Okay.
Are they coming in today or anything?
no.
Okay.
I might need something hard to get this out.
Twist it.
Won't move.
What did you screw with? Crazy boy. Got it?
What's that?
Hold on. I can get it out. Can you move it?
Let me see that. I could just a second ago before you. No, put it back in the gun.
Mom, this thing's heavy.
Oh, look at there.
Darn, thanks. Thank
That's like a
you.
self-tapping screw. That really shouldn't be in there.
I need to get that. That took a little too long. I might have to get on that side to work this last screw on that side.